Hi, Mag German Japanese car 15020 Oxnard Street, Sherman Oaks, California, 914-11, call or text 310-804-4185. I'll meet or beat any eBay price, exact same item when she posts this video. 2009 12 Audi A4, front struts with upper control arms, $85. Brand new upper control arms. These things are in excellent condition. Somebody just replaced them and they're super tight. Very tight. The ball joints are super tight. Brand new upper control arms with the front strut assembly on a 2010 Audi A4, good 09 to 12. I take credit cards and ship. I do installation and repair. Check me out at maxsgermancar.com or my YouTube channel, the Max Brakeman channel. I'll meet or beat any eBay price for the exact same item with shipping posted before the video. 09 to 12 Audi A4 front strut assembly with upper control arms, which are brand new, $85 complete with all attachments. 310-804-4185. Call or text 310-804-4185. Thank you.